All right, JunkGuysdfw guys, just finished up the house located in Fort Worth. I did the estimate last week. If you saw the video, we completed it today. Today's Monday, the 10th or 11th, somewhere around there. It doesn't really matter, but check it out. The porch that had all the mattresses and stuff is totally clean. There it is. There's just a broom on it. Let's go over to the chicken coop. I think the chicken coop is really important. There was stuff on the outside of the chicken coop on the ground, but that got picked up also. And then the inside of the chicken coop, and I'll just show you that really quick. Check that out. All of that trash is gone. 100% gone. Whew. Not so bad, not so bad. And then the last room, which was actually the room that the pool table was on, that was in that room right there. That got cleaned out also today. And this job is not a big job, but it's a $650 job. It wasn't that bad. It took us a couple of hours to do it, but we underestimated the job. And there it is. So the pool table is laying down right there. And give you a rough draft what we did over here. We had there was so much recycling on the property. There was so much recycling on the property. I actually pulled another trailer, and it's leaving right now. As a matter of fact, right on time. That right there is TNT Junk Removal, who's using a special trailer, specially designed. I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. So he came today and he took all the recycling, every last piece of recycling he took, and I left that here on the floor. And then of course the 16-foot trailer with the F350 truck. There it is, totally maxed out today. And we are complete with another house clean out. This was a backyard house clean out, yard clean out, whatever you want to call it. But it's completed and we are out of here. We're going back to Dallas to the headquarters again. So you take a guess and estimate how much you would have charged for a job like this, and let me know. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this estimate of the video. This is the before and after picture. This is the after picture, or after video of the job we did here in Dallas. I mean, here in Fort Worth, going back to Dallas. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.